Audio Jungle.
Hi, this is Brian Wallace from CLA, the Laundry Association, and I'm hoping that you'll join me for DLI Expo West. That's coming up on March 27th to the 29th in the Dallas area at the Irving Convention Center. I'll have an opportunity to talk about all the trends that are going on in the wash, dry, fold, and commercial accounts realm. This is the biggest trend in our industry, whether you're a laundromat owner or a dry cleaner. It's all about the out-of-home laundry, and I'll be bringing to you the latest and greatest from our research into this growing part of our industry. I'll also be sticking around for a Ask Me Anything session, and particularly for those of you dry cleaners that have thought about delving into the laundromat business, perhaps buying or building your own laundromat. Put me to work, ask me all your questions, I'll be happy to help out. So again, I'll see you at DLI Expo, March 27th to the 29th. We'll see you there.
Audio Jungle.